Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole and store it. First, choose 3 perfectly ripe Hass avocados. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure. Next, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lime juice, a small red onion, and a bunch of fresh cilantro. You'll also need a good quality salt and pepper. Finally, grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and a fork or potato masher for mashing. Now let's get those avocados ready. Carefully have each avocado, remove the large pit, and scoop the creamy green flesh into your mixing bowl. Next, take about 1/4 of a small red onion and dice it very finely. This adds a subtle crunch and flavor. Then, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, ensuring it's not too coarse. Finally, squeeze 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Time to bring it all together. Using your fork or potato masher, gently mash the avocado flesh. I prefer mine a bit chunky, but you can mash it smoother. Now, fold in the finely diced red onion, the fresh chopped cilantro, and the 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Finish by seasoning with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. To keep your guacamole fresh and green, the key is to prevent air exposure. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole, ensuring no air pockets remain. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 2 days. This method significantly slows down oxidation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.